Hello, my name is Caitlin Labar. This is for Micro 205 Module 4 video assignment, Vaccination and the Immune Response. COVID-19 has infected all aspects of human lives and has been declared a global pandemic in 2020 by the WHO or WHO. The Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are a two-dose vaccine series that must be administered within a period of approximately 4 weeks in order to elicit a robust immune response. How would you explain to your community why 2 doses of the vaccine are required? Also explain the following. 1. The nature of the immune responses that will occur in the body after the first and second doses of the vaccine. 2. How the response after the second dose is different from the first dose. What is responsible for the difference between the primary and the secondary immune response? Hint, refer to the lecture video 5A on antibiotic responses in Module 4. Your video notes explain the following. Vaccines are mostly from inactivated viruses that have been killed so they cannot cause the specific virus. Some vaccines are given in sets either together at the same time or a certain amount of time apart. Some are given yearly, some are given only once. When you're given a vaccine, in this case, the vaccine produced was to help protect the body from COVID vaccine. The vaccine will start off by creating an adaptive immunity in the body, which is a specific defense of the body acquired after exposure to a specific antigen and creates B cells and T cells to help fight off the virus introduced. Although this type of response does not respond immediately until antibodies are produced. Antibodies are produced by humoral immunity, which takes the B cells created and turns them into 2 different types: plasma cells, which make antibodies, and memory cells, which are the cells that remember the virus and tell the plasma cells to quickly produce antibodies. But quickly for the first dose of vaccine is about 10 to 14 days to produce the antibodies. This is why a second dose is needed. The second time the virus is introduced in the bodies, the antibodies are produced much faster and intensely. When you get the second dose, a slight reaction at the site where the dose was administered is a good thing. It means that the antibodies are being produced appropriately and the body is fighting the virus. Then after the doses are given, if you are exposed to the virus again, in a natural way, the body will be even more prepared and your symptoms will also be shorter and less intense. This is why the 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccines are needed.